Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we're calling the best Hedge trimmer cordless rechargeable blade available right now. The WeGofly String Trimmer Blade Set, a versatile and power-packed accessory kit designed for the WeG21T trimmer. This is not just a replacement parts set, it's a performance upgrade for your trimming and edging needs. Let's jump into why this set is creating a buzz among garden enthusiasts and homeowners alike. To begin, the first thing you notice about this kit is how comprehensive it is. It comes with 2 saw blades, 4 metal blades, 10 spools, and a protective cover. That's everything you need to handle a wide range of trimming tasks, whether you're dealing with grass, weeds, or tougher brush. If you already own the WeG21T trimmer, this is a no-brainer upgrade. And just a heads up, it's not compatible with the WeG21A model, so double-check your tool before purchasing. Let's talk design and build quality. All components in the WeGofly set have a solid, premium feel to them. The metal blades are rugged and durable, ideal for more aggressive cuts or heavier vegetation. The saw blades are a game-changer if you're tackling thicker branches or brush where a traditional string trimmer just won't cut it, literally. They're made to last, and their sharpness gives the trimmer a serious edge, quite literally again. Switching out the blades and spools is incredibly straightforward. You don't need special tools, and the fit is snug, exactly what you'd expect for something custom designed for the WeG21T. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who just wants your yard looking sharp without calling in the pros, the ease of installation is a big win. Next, let's discuss the 10 spools that come with it. That's a generous supply. Perfect for those who do regular maintenance and don't want to worry about running to the store every few weeks. These spools are optimized to feed cleanly, minimizing tangles and jams, which can be a real frustration with some trimmers. The included cover is a thoughtful addition too. It not only protects the internal mechanics of your trimmer from debris but also adds an extra layer of safety, especially when using the more aggressive saw or metal blades. It's these small touches that show the WeGofly team put real thought into this set. Now, performance-wise, pairing these blades with the WeG21T results in a noticeably improved trimming experience. Whether you're edging along sidewalks, shaping up bushes, or clearing overgrown areas, the responsiveness and power transfer are smooth. And thanks to the cordless nature of the trimmer itself, you get all this performance without being tethered to a power source. As for portability, the entire kit is compact and easy to store. You can keep the extra blades and spools in a small toolbox or garden shed without them taking up much space. Maintenance is simple, too. Just keep the blades clean and dry after use, and they'll serve you well season after season. To wrap up, the WeGofly String Trimmer Blade Set is an outstanding accessory bundle that takes an already capable trimmer and amplifies its versatility, power, and convenience. It's a great investment for anyone using the WeG21T who wants professional-level results from a cordless tool. Whether you're tidying up your front yard or reclaiming an overgrown corner of your property, this kit gives you the confidence and tools to do it efficiently. That's it for today's review. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for more details or to purchase. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed reviews like this one. See you in the next video.